Hello and welcome to Console Accessories and another video for you here, and this week we're going to be looking at this. It's the 8bitdo 02 controller. Now, as you can tell from the colour, it's kind of designed to go with the Switch because it is the turquoise edition, but it also goes with the Switch, the Windows, Android, macOS, Steam and Raspberry Pi. But obviously they've kind of made it look so it's the same colour as the turquoise edition on the Switch Lite, but it worked with all of them, whichever one you want to go for really. And I want to have a quick look because this took my eye because of its size. I mean, look at it. I mean, this is fully boxed up. I've already played with it a little bit, but I wanted to do the unboxing just to show you. And this is with the box and there's a couple of extra bits in there. It only weighs 52 grams and that's with everything in it. Gosh. Okay, so you pop it open, bit of plastic in there. And then there we go. There it is on the top there. We're going to fish it out. And then underneath here, a few extra bits. You get your instructions, whatever. And then you get this, which is a wrist strap. So with the wrist straps, as you would do with all of them, you poke it through there. And then kind of feed that through there. And then you've got yourself a nice secure wrist strap. There you go. Quite rubbery as well, so it's quite good. And then keep it on there and walk around the house with it so you don't lose it. And this, a tiny, might be a USB cable. I mean, properly tiny. So let's have a look. I mean, this thing's only 9 centimeters long itself, so they've gone small for everything on this thing. And now look, my hands are kind of average for an adult, I'd say. But look at it. It's tiny. I'm not sure what the market is for this. The under 6 months. It is like properly tiny. It's just over 7 centimeters with the shoulder buttons 3.5 centimeters. And if we get this way, just this bit. And I'll take this bit off as well because this will weigh something. Take that off. So if we weigh it on its own, 21 grams. I mean, there's nothing to it. Nothing to it. Okay, so on the front, bit of branding, on the back, bit of gumph. There's an LED there for the charging and so you know when you're charging, when you're connecting, and on the front there, that's where the micro USB goes. Okay, so USB, and then you've got your L and your R. And then there's the control, there it is. So that's all there is. So there's not the dual D-pads or dual thumbsticks or anything like that. Simply one up and down, left and right. Start and select X, Y, A and B. And the way you turn it on is by holding start and Y, so hold that down, and then the blue LED starts to flash. And then you hold down the select button and then it goes a bit faster. Hold down for a few seconds, there we go. And then it's in pairing mode. And then all you do is go into your Switch or go into wherever you want, look for it, and this will pop up as a controller. Okay, so let's go through the buttons. So the D-pads, okay, a little bit spongy, but you can do the rolls and stuff, that's okay. The select and the start buttons are quite clicky. So they're quite clicky. And then these aren't so clicky, these are just your average kind of buttons. They feel very much like on a Switch. In fact, they almost replicate it perfectly. Yeah, they feel virtually identical. And then you've only got the two bumpers, the L and the R, so there's no ZR and ZL, it's just L and R. And these feel, if I'm honest, they feel a little bit cheap. They feel a little bit clicky. I mean, the click's nice and all, but and can you hear that? They don't sound the best clicks, if I'm honest. Okay. Yeah, so it matches the Switch quite nicely, doesn't it? So this is my turquoise Switch. I mean, it matches it colour-wise really well. It's just I'm struggling to find out the market for it. I mean, yeah, if you want, kind of like your online games for your older games that only use the one stick and the one buttons, it's okay. But I mean, I was talking about gamer claw in a couple of my other videos. This is properly gamer claw, isn't it? But I thought, hey, what the hell? I'm just going to go and get a ring there, and I'll probably use it as a key ring because it's so tiny. It's quite a cool key ring as well, isn't it? My car key is about that size, so I could use it and it wouldn't take up too much of a pocket room because it is so small and so light. Okay, so please do let me know, what do you think this could be used for? Like I said, a lot of the Switch Online games you could use it for, but I can't see you being able to use it for much else. So I'll be very interested to know why you bought this, if you've bought it at all. Probably just because it fits anywhere. You can stick it anywhere. I'd be worried about losing it though. Okay. There we go. Okay, so that's it. That's the 8bitdo 02 turquoise edition. I'm using it for Nintendo Switch, and as we said, we can use it for any others. Leave any comments below, I'll happily answer to them. Stick a thumbs up and a subscribe if you're new around here, I'd really appreciate it. And until the next video, bye bye.